Well, I got the Guru with me today. I got the SE Pro 10.12 SEF. We're at the land of Nada, getting ready to go in. See what it looks like for about an hour or so. Guru came down Friday. He fell in on a hot spot, found a stainless steel ring, found 25 quarters, 20 dimes, 7 or 8 nickels, 100 pennies. I'm just kidding about the pennies, but a lot of pennies. A lot of shells, a lot of conch shells, 2 pair of sunglasses. He rushed back Saturday, nothing. Place dried right up, sanded back in, gone. No targets at all. Same exact spot. So we're putting in down here today. We're going to give it a little try. And like I said, if it's not much here, we may go to the bay. It's rough though. It's going to be hard on the bay. It's northeast about 20 right now. So it won't be very pretty. And it's about 43 or 4, and the wind chill has got it below that. Stand by. That's the way to travel right now. Camel humps. People don't look all that exciting. Target, I've seen them big. But I'm just putting in. Stand by. What do you got? Dime, 10 years. That's the way to travel. Look at that. Yes, sirree. Uh-oh, his wheels ran off. There, he's back on his wheels now. Unless things improve, I think we'll probably be leaving here soon. I've got a dime and a pull tab. Kenny's got a couple targets. Ain't much happening. But I do have a nice low tone here for the third target. I don't know what it's going to be, but stand by. Well, we got it out. Oh! Keithy 6. I think it's one of your fine taquitos. A zipper pull. At least that's what it looks like from up here. Yes, sirree. Zipper pull. Black in color. On them wheels. It's rough like that. He's got 2 feet on it like a ski hat. There he goes. Up on his wheels. Down the road he goes. At a rapid pace. Starting to rain on us a little now. It's a light sprinkle, but it's coming. I think we're going the hell out of here anyway. Unless the Guru has got more than I know about. I hope he has, but I know he's been digging a lot more than me. The guy's wheels ran off again. I think he's putting that thing back in his car. Got a nice low tone here. Nice low tone. Stand by. Low, okay. If you like pull tabs. I told you he was digging more targets than me. Look at that. Got a car. Don't know what that is. Saw blade, bottle caps, 3/4, 2 dimes, a nickel, some pennies, some pull tabs. Excalibur was hot today.
No, it
if you
wasn't.
consider that hot.
And you consider digging nothing much. No gold. You took a picture already?
Yeah, that's better than what I did, but I said I was rain has got us now. You can see it's raining. It's on light sprinkle, but it got heavy for a while.
You saved the day. I'll give you a quarter.
Okay. I'll write that down in my diary. This rain's not supposed to be here till 2 or 3 o'clock. It's supposed to rain all evening. It's like 12:45 right now. Early. It rains early today. I don't like it. We can't go to the bay because the waves are too big. I mean, we could, but we'd have to work up kind of high. I think we're going home with this rain. As a matter of fact, I know we are. Here's the best of it. Zipper pull. Piece of copper. 2 meager pennies and a dime.